This 2025 Primetime Crusader 270BHX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, microwave, LP detector, water heater, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, oven, spare tire kit, smoke detector, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime Crusader 270BHX is 7,834 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.